Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to log work time in Jira. So let's get started. First, open your Jira project and then click on the backlog option. Now you have to select the issue type and then click on the three dots in the right side. Now here you will see the log work option. Click on that and here you will see pop window will appear. Now here you have to enter time spent, for example, like 2 hours and 13 minutes. And then in the next box, here you have to fill the time remaining if needed. For example, I am taking 30 minutes and then you have to choose the date started and time and the brief description. Now hit on the save and you are done. That's it how you can log time in Jira. It's quick, transparent and keeps everyone aligned. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.